Hey everybody, it's that time of day and the time of week for a weekly update. And I have to say, I haven't done too much, but things are growing. So if you would like to see my 9B garden in Central Florida, stay tuned. And also, the 5B garden is about to get going. So also subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for great garden tours. Okay, let's dig into it. All right, I thought I would start with the Bugs Bunny patch. And you can see I have 9 grow bags here, and these all have carrots in them. And the carrots are already popping up, as you can see. Over here in this area, I just have a cosmos. And down here, I have some sage and lots of baby plants popping up that I don't know what they are. Over here, with my side pieces, we have strawberries, and I'm going to be pulling these old strawberries out because they never came up, and I got those from Tractor Supplies. Very disappointed about that. However, we got strawberries a-blooming. Over here we have our radish babies, and I think they need a hit of nitrogen. We have a lot of yellowing leaves. Here is the ginger patch, but nothing's happening yet there. These are some of my gladioluses that have popped up, so I don't know if they're gonna bloom or not. And down here in these 2 pots are some salvia. So we're just waiting for those to grow back. Here on the Eaton trellis, I have some radishes that are popping up and some marigolds. And then over here, we have contender beans. And also some calendulas are growing with these, as well as some marigolds. Over here in the tomato cage, we have some pink miniature roses. We have some old ones that are dying out and some new ones that have popped up. On the other side is some red miniatures, but we don't have any new blooms just yet. Over here we have a Heat Master tomato. Has 1 tomato going on it, and this one is kind of diseased, so we're just giving it some love to try to keep it going. And then over here, this Heat Master is going well. We have 2 tomatoes on this one. I also transplanted some New Zealand spinach, but it's not too happy. Over here on the left side of the tomato tunnel, I have one of my trunk gardens, and inside of here, we have some asparagus beans, salvia, and comfrey. There's more going on over here in the sky garden than any place else. We have the vining mandevilla, and it is vining, and it's also getting some new blooms. We also have lots of morning glories and some vining black-eyed Susans, and they are coming up nicely. Also here we have Budweiser and Deuce, and they are playing in the lily pad. Over here the new fountain is going strong, and beside the fountain we have some tomatillas, cosmos, daisies, gladioluses, geraniums, and my lone blueberry bush. The tomatillas are going strong, but I'm not sure if they've been pollinated or not. And we also have some blooms on some of our sweet peas, so hopefully we'll get some sweet peas soon. Also, I created a bit of a terrarium here in one of my beautiful lanterns. I'm not sure what kind of cactus that is, or cacti. And then over here in my pepper lane here, we have some banana peppers that are getting ready to poop out some banana peppers. We have another banana pepper down here at the bottom. We have some leeks and onions, some marigolds. And I did top this plant, and it's just taking a long time for it to get back going. So we'll see how it goes. I think I may have topped it too soon. Here's a few more topped bell pepper plants, and this is the blonde bell peppers. Some marigolds, and we have some green bell peppers here, and we have more jalapenos coming out. And down here on the side of my little tripod trellis, we have our begonias, which are doing very well. And we also have some basil down here at the bottom, which I have been feverishly keeping from going to seed. And on the other side of my tripod trellis, we have some more sweet peas. And we have lots of plant babies. More plant babies coming. More plant babies. And more plant babies. These are some more bulbs that have not come up yet. And this is the tops of the salvias that I pruned off or chopped off. And then here in the welcome garden, we've done quite a few things here, so it looks a tad different. The hydrangeas are still looking good, although I think I need to prune some off. They have some dead spots. I also took the head off of the sunflower. There's more sunflowers coming on here. Back where the roses are, this rose is still blooming. This one, not so much yet. And this one I pruned all the way down with no rhyme or reason. And here is my white knockout roses, and this one is doing well. And I have another salvia that I did not cut back. So we'll see how it's gonna do. It is suffering from some powdery mildew. And over here is my lantana, and it is about to bloom. Y'all look at Godzilla. I have a bunch of Godzillas here in my garden. Eat aphids, Godzilla, eat aphids. So that's the short story on the garden for this week. Not too much different. We do have some growth, and I have a lot more plant babies growing. So hopefully in the next week or so, I'll be planting some in their permanent spots as well. So that is it for today. Give this video a thumbs up, and also I would love to hear your comments below. And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and shove off, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.